Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a birthday makeup look. If you are a Pisces or if your birthday is in March, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Like Wendy would say probably. This baby right here was my main inspiration. As soon as I saw this on Forever 21, I went to the rack that was on sale. Buy one, get one free. $15.
I was like, you need to come with me.
I was looking for my eyeshadow palette collections, and then I was like, why haven't I used to? Like, I bought this 5 months ago when it came out, and I never used it. I know there's been probably so many tutorials featuring this palette, but I'm still gonna do it. Look at someone and kind of make that person so nervous and just have that. I'm just being silly. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, Beauty by Mariela. If you guys want to see how it went from 0 to 100, then keep on watching. And what I just popped in right now on my inner corner because I get a little too green and purple in there is this Kiko Free Soul collection. This is a concealer number 3, but honestly I feel like it's almost a corrector for me because look at this peachy shade right here. So I like to tap it in and just cover it right before I do my eyeshadow. Mind you, I already did add my eyeshadow base, which I'm actually going back with my NYX shade neutral. I'm gonna just seal everything with a Kat Von D. I believe this one is Lyric. I'm gonna go back with Levitation and just sealed my lid. For eyeshadows, I will be using this ABH Prism palette. It came out last year. I bought it and I never used it until this week. For my brow bone, I will be using Lucid. It's this shimmer, and you know that I usually don't use shimmer, but we will go there. For the crease, I'm using Eden. It's almost this peachy corally shade, and this brush is a Morphe M441, and I will apply this baby right on the socket of the eye. Very impressed with the pigmentation. Next, I'm gonna use Saturn, and this is a Sigma blending brush, the E25, and I'm gonna apply it right on my crease and just deepen it out a teeny. Holy moly! I like to turn this and blend. Next, for the outer crease, I'm going to deepen it a little bit more by using this black matte eyeshadow that is called Obsidian. And I'm using this Morphe E118. It's smaller and slightly dense. Just going to pack it in. I'm just going to go back with my Sigma blending brush and just blend out those edges. I'm going to add a little bit of my brown shade. This deep dark emerald shade. Actually, using the finger, it works so much better. So we're gonna just pack it in. I really gotta go with a flat shaded brush just to finesse it a little bit more. Oh, this is helping. Okay, and tap 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 your way. So with the same Sigma blending brush, I'm actually gonna use the brown shade, which is called Parallel. It's a matte shade, and I'm gonna work my way out there just because I feel like the black was too intense for me, and I want to make sure I blend out these edges. Now going back to the palette, I will be using Osiris, this dual chrome shade. With the same brush that I used for the black eyeshadow, I'm just gonna smooth it out because just the 1/3 of the outer part of the brow, and I'm gonna apply it right on the outer part of the eye. I would say 1/3 of the eye. I have this Kiko Milano double eyeliner. This was a limited edition, but you can use any purple that you have because this is the first thing that I saw, and I'm like, okay, you're coming with me. For that inner corner, this is where I'm gonna get a little, you know, there. I will be using this neon yellow matte eyeshadow, and I don't even know why I'm doing this. This one is called Sphere, and I'm gonna grab a small little brush. I love this brush. It's a BH Cosmetics, and we're gonna apply this right on the corner. So pretty, look at you. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some mascara and some false lashes. Pure Pro 3D so lashes. This one is Bombshell. My Cover FX Orange Corrector. I love using this on this area just because I have so much darkness going on in there that it's just a little bit out of control. So I'm just gonna blend it. I don't like it when I have my foundation and you can still see the darkness that is still peeking through. So, you know, sometimes I'm like, I'm lazy, I don't do this, but then it makes such a difference. So, and for foundation, I'm using my Hourglass Stick Foundation. I think this is in the shade Honey. Oh my gosh, this is it! No more! This area is more of my problematic area. And this is a Sedona Lace Black Kabuki brush, 520. For concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tarte. I can't say it. You know which one it is, this one. This is in the medium shade. And we're gonna move on to baking. I've been loving this Beauty Bakery Flour Better Not Bitter. This one is the yellow banana shade. The reason why I purchased this is because I saw Jackie Aina talking and raving about this, and I was like, I need to get this in my life. I love Wendy. She is my girl. I missed her so much these last 3 weeks. I'm so excited that she's finally back tomorrow. I was so excited and in a way happy that Jerry O'Connell was filling in for her. Now, there's been so much negativity because why she chose him, and he's such a Bravo fan. I felt like he did an amazing job, and I love the fact that he was extra. He is just me and more. Like, he's so goofy, he's so silly, he cracks me up at these like silly, stupid jokes, but I still love it. And he was just hilarious, and he definitely needs his own show. The bronzer that I'm using is Kiko Flawless Fusion. This is number 6. This is the darkest shade that we have. Everybody asks me like, what is it that you're using on your face? I'm like, this one, sweetie. I'm gonna use more powder. Like that wasn't enough. This is the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This one is number 30, medium deep. And I'm just gonna put a teeny, my word, teeny, like this much because I already have enough. So we're just gonna like blend out those edges. We're gonna get rid of my yellow Beauty Bakery stuff going on here we had. I blend it with the same powder. You know what? Lastly, for blush, I'm using this brand new Kiko. This is a Metal Fusion blush. This one is number 5. It has beautiful like peachy orangey shade. Just apply it right on the highest points of the cheeks. I'm using the Dose of Colors Desi's Lush Katie collab. This one is Fuego. And we're gonna jump in with, this is a Wet n Wild highlighter brush. It was the Unicorn collection that came out last year. Again, a lot of highlighter. Right on the Cupid's bow. Now for lips, I'm gonna use this lip liner from MAC. This one is Soar. This has got to be one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. This one is by, I mean, he's controversial and all, but I love this liquid lipstick. Jeffree Star. This one is called Gemini. And even though I'm a Pisces, I like Geminis, but as a relationship, I've been there. We don't get along really. I've been more compatible obviously with water signs like Cancers and Scorpios, and also earth signs. Right. And I think I want to add a little gloss. I will be using my Kiko 3D gloss. This one is number 5. This one, number 3, number 17, and number 27. They are so popular. So like this because again, it has like little pinky specks of glitter. And we're gonna go there. I'm not gonna apply it on the entire lip. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, like, let me know what you guys think on this look, and leave a comment down below. Until the next time, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah. Besitos.